What is your full name?
My full name is Idar Vishnubai Patel.
What is your qualification?
I am in standard 7.
Tell me about your family background.
There are 3 members in my family. My father name is Vishnubai. He is a teacher. My mother name is Palakben. She is an officer. I have no brother and sister.
Where do you live?
I am living in Idar.
Can you tell me something more about your hometown, Idar?
Yes, my hometown name is Idar. It is a small town. It is called Mountain City. There are many historical places in Idar, like places Rani Lake, Hindu and Jain temples, and Idar Ghat. There are many problems in Idar. The main problem is traffic because there is no bypass road in Idar.
What is your daily routine activity?
I get up at early in the morning, then I get ready to go my Alex speaking tuition classes. Then I come to my home around 9 a.m. I go to my school around 10 a.m. Then I attend my all good lectures. Then I come to my home at around 4:55 p.m. Then I ready to go next tuition. Then I come to my home at around 7 p.m. Then I take my dinner. Then I sleep at around 11:30 p.m.
Do you want to go foreign?
Yes, I want to go foreign. Especially, I want to go London because my future plan is study at Oxford University with economic subjects.
Tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing volleyball, watching TV, and reading books.
Can you tell me something about your best friend?
Yes, my best friend name is Vand. He always gets first rank in the school.
What is your future plan?
My future plan is to become a professor with economic subjects.
So friends, R.O. Vishnubai Patel, he is student of 7th standard. He can speak English, so you can also speak English.